So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kritika and I'm Kritika. Today I'm going to tell you that how to make a very tasty custard. Only with milk and custard powder and some fruits. Let me start the rest. First, I have collected some black grapes and some normal grapes. So after taking this, I want the help of custard powder. Let me take it. So it's my custard powder. Now I want milk. Let me take my milk. It's my milk. Now I am ready to make my custard with these ingredients. So guys, first I have to chop my fruits, means grapes. Let me chop it. So I have chopped my grapes. Let me take a big bowl. It is nice. It can be used. So first I want to clean the water which is inside this bowl. Now it is cleaned. Let me take my milk with me. Yes, this is my milk. I put in my milk into this bowl. Now I have to on the flame of my gas of my let me on the flame. Now it's good. I put in my milk into my flame. I never share my recipes to anyone, but today I want you all to know my recipes. I know only little bit of recipes to make sabji, how to make sabji, how to make chapati, how to make rice, and how to make sandwich, and how to make fried rice. Next, how to make macaroni, pasta, chow-mein, Maggi, yippee, and many more. So I'm sharing my first dish to you, means custard. My milk is being boiling. I want my custard powder. Now I will take my custard. 1 spoon. I have put my custard into it. Now I don't want the help of custard powder. Go from here. After putting the custard into my milk, I want to mash my milk. It is not coming like a batter, so I have to put a little bit of more. You have to wait till when your milk comes like a batter. But my milk is like milk only. It is not looking like a batter. So I want few more custard. Now I will mash it again. I put my custard into it. Now I will put sugar into it. I will put 2 spoons sugar into it. It's my first spoon. You can put the sugar which you have the limited. Which you have to take the limited taste. Let me put into it. I have put a 2 spoon sugar into it. And I will mash it. I will off my flame. And I will put into another. Now I am putting it into another bowl to be cold and to be dark. And I will put my grapes While serving.